What's up, guys? Jordan from Holiday Lighting and Creations here, and today we'll be putting up our massive 17-foot tall fiberglass Santa Claus and the 15-foot tall fiberglass Snowman.
The Santa is made up of 5 different sections: the legs, the body, the 2 arms, and Santa's head. To put Santa's body onto his legs, we decided to rent a lift. Once we had the body in place, I had to get inside of the body so I could bolt the body down to the legs. The most difficult part of putting the Santa together is putting the 2 arms on the side, because someone has to be inside while the other person is putting the arm into place so it can be bolted together. Once we've put Santa's arms on, we move on to the final step, which is attaching Santa's head to his body. We purchased this massive Santa Claus from Bronner's Christmas Wonderland in Michigan. The Santa stands 17 feet tall and is made out of fiberglass. We decided to pour a concrete slab for the Santa so it does not fall over the high winds and we can bolt it down easily. Everyone loves it when they come to see our display. Now we are going to move on to putting the 15-foot tall fiberglass snowman together. This is the 4 main pieces that make up the 15-foot tall snowman. Once we have the middle section, the head, and the hat bolted together, we lifted it into place and put it on the bottom section of the snowman. One of the final steps is putting the arms on the snowman. When the snowman was purchased originally, it did not have arms, so the original owner decided to make some out of PVC and paint them brown. We found this snowman on Facebook Marketplace in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, so we decided to fly up there, rent a moving truck, and drive it back to our home in Texas.